So we're going to talk about goal-seek. If you want to see the goal-seek feature under multiple analysis, what you should do is go to data tab, and then look for what if analysis. The second feature under what if analysis is the goal-seek. Now, with this table, you see that these are the products that are sold by Tablin Incorporation. We got the selling price, we got the cost, we got the quantity, and the profit. Imagine a scenario whereby, as the manager of Tablin Incorporation, you are told we need a profit of a certain value. Let us maybe have a value here. Maybe you're told we need to get a profit of 12,000. And to get the profit of 12,000 US dollars, you are given the mandate to only change the quantity of EV generators sold. Everything else is going to remain the same apart from the quantity of EV generators sold. This is a problem that can be solved using the goal-seek. So what I want us to do is go to what if analysis, and then you get goal-seek feature. Click on the goal-seek feature. This is the interface that you're going to get. The first entry that you should make is the set cell. And the set cell here is our objective. It's the total revenue. And we want a total revenue of 12,000 US dollars. And the 12,000 US dollars can be achieved by only changing the quantity of EV generators sold. So this is the changing cell. If there's a solution, then goal-seek will be able to tell you that, yeah, we got a solution and here's the solution. If there's no solution, you can't really achieve this target of 12,000 US dollars as profit by changing the quantity. Still, goal-seek will let you know. So let's see. Okay, we're told we have found a solution, and the solution is, if you want to get 20,000 US dollars by changing only the quantity of EV generators sold, you really need to sell 20 EV generators for the same price, same cost, and then you'll have a profit of 12,000 US dollars. In case there's no solution, then goal-seek will also let you know. So for example, let me do Control Z so that I undo this. This was the initial state. So I want us to see if we can be able to get 12,000 US dollars as profit by changing the quantity of silent generators sold. Using logic, this cannot be achieved because the selling price and the cost is the same. There's no way you're going to get profit of 12,000 US dollars by only changing the quantity of silent generators sold. There's no logic there. So let us see what will happen if we involve goal-seek in this. So we have what if analysis, then goal-seek. Our set cell, this is our objective. That is what we want to change to 12,000. So to value is 12,000. And the changing cell here is the quantity of silent generators. When you click OK, you're going to see a number of iterations that goal-seek is going to do, trying to find an answer. So this is what we are getting from goal-seek. We are told F12 may not have found a solution. So there's no solution. It has gone so many iterations. up to a negative number and we still can't get an answer. So there's no solution for that. So what you should know is that you'll be able to use Goal-Seek in situations where you are only allowed to change one cell to achieve your objective. So all this is the exercise for Goal-Seek, or you can open the file. It is index 2.9 Goal-Seek exercise, where you're told that you achieve an objective of $20,000 by changing the demand. Here is the demand. So you can have a try. So this is going to be our objective, the profit. We want 20,000 by changing only the demand. And just in case you get stuck, you can have a look at the solution here. So you can try that at your own free time. And then if you get stuck, you can just let us know through the chat box.